In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the payroll system to access and print your W-2 forms, adding convenience and efficiency to your year-end tax preparations. Having your W-2 forms on hand is essential for accurate tax filing, and in this guide, we'll walk through the steps to obtain these forms seamlessly from the payroll system. Let's begin by accessing the payroll section of the system. You'll want to start by logging into your account and locating the payroll module on the main dashboard. It often appears on a sidebar or a top navigation menu. Once you're in the payroll section, your next destination is the Employees tab. This is where you manage all payroll-related activities for your company's workforce, and consequently, where you'll find the option to handle tax forms. After clicking on Employees, look for the option that says Payroll Tax Forms and W-2s. This section is specifically designed to help you manage tax documentation for your employees, including the much-needed W-2 forms. Navigating here will bring up a list of available tax forms for each employee in your organization. Within the Payroll Tax Forms and W-2s section, you'll need to select the year for which you want to print W-2 forms. Typically, there will be a drop-down menu or a list that shows different tax years. Select the relevant year to access W-2 forms for that specific period. This feature is useful especially when dealing with past records or if you need to provide documentation from a previous year. Once you've selected the desired year, the system will generate a list of W-2 forms associated with it. Before proceeding to print, it's a good idea to review these forms for accuracy. Ensure that all employee information, including names, social security numbers, and salary details, are correct. This careful check helps avoid any discrepancies that could complicate your tax filing process. Now, you're ready to print. Look for a print button or option. This might be at the top or bottom of the page depending on your system's layout. Click on Print, and you will be presented with a dialog box that allows you to choose your printing preferences, such as the number of copies and page layout. Once you've configured your settings, confirm the action to send the forms to your printer. Printing from the system not only provides convenience, but also ensures that you have official copies ready for distribution or filing. Remember, if you encounter any issues or if the forms don't display correctly, you might need to check your browser's compatibility or consult your payroll software's help section. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the payroll system to find and print W-2 forms for your employees. By following these steps, you can maintain organized records and stay proactive with your tax duties. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further